In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate lead capture with Zapier, save leads to Google Sheets, and send confirmation emails. By the end, you'll have a simple workflow that collects a lead, stores it in a spreadsheet, and immediately sends a friendly confirmation. Start by heading to Zapier.com and logging in. From your dashboard, click Create Zap. This opens a blank workflow where we'll add a trigger and a couple of actions. Think of the trigger as what starts the automation, and the actions as what happens next. For the trigger, choose the app where your leads originate. Popular options include Google Forms or Facebook lead ads. Next, pick the trigger event. If you're using Google Forms, select New Form Response. If you're using Facebook lead ads, choose New Lead. Click Continue, then connect the correct account so Zapier has permission to pull data. Use Test Trigger to fetch a sample submission. This sample is essential because it lets you see real fields and map them later, ensuring everything lines up correctly. Now let's save the lead to a Google Sheet. Click Add Action, choose Google Sheets, and select Create Spreadsheet Row. Click Continue and connect your Google account. Choose the specific spreadsheet and worksheet where you want the leads to go. You'll now map fields from the trigger to columns in your sheet. For example, map name to the name column and email to the email column. Keep an eye on spelling and column headers so your data lands exactly where it should. Click Test. Step to make sure a sample row is created successfully. If you open the spreadsheet and see the test row, you're on the right track. Next, we'll send a confirmation email. Click Add Action again. Choose Gmail and select Send Email. Click Continue and connect your Gmail account. In the To field, insert the email value from your trigger so each message goes to the correct person. Add a clear subject like, "Thank you for your inquiry," and write a concise, friendly body confirming receipt. You can reference mapped fields to personalize the message. When you're ready, click Test Step to send a test email and confirm formatting looks good. Finally, click Publish. This makes your Zap live, so new leads automatically flow into Google Sheets and receive a confirmation email without manual work. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.